Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yes, I get up early in the morning. I offer prayer and then I go for a gym, do some exercise, take some exercise. After that, I do my breakfast and get ready for my college.
Okay, but mainly you're making all simple sentences. I do my breakfast, do my breakfast is wrong. I have my breakfast. I go to college. All these are simple sentences. So you need to focus compound sentences for better band score, right? And as I use the word get up, for get up, you can use the word wake up. I use the word often. You can use the word usually. So try to replace the words like this. Let's go on. What do you usually do when you get up early in the morning?
When I wake up early in the morning, first I offer prayer and then I go for a gym, take some exercise. Then I get up ready for my college.
Okay, now listen, this is what you have already said. So if they ask you a question where you have the similar type of information to share, you should share it in a different way. For example, you can say, all right, what do you usually do when you get up early? Well, first of all, when I wake up, I drink a big glass of water, something like that. So don't repeat the same things as you've already spoken. So try to answer this question in a different way. And again, compound sentences. And one more thing, use signpost language. First of all, secondly, finally, and like that. Okay, do you get up early on weekends?
On weekends, I often don't get up early in the morning. I let it sleep for 9 hours, sometimes even more. It depends upon on Friday night. If I usually in Friday nights I sleep late night, watch some movies with my friends. So that's why I get up late in the morning on weekends.
All right, that's good. Just you need to organize your answer and try to focus compound sentences. That's going to be better, right? Let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like to try new activities, like new hobbies or new activities?
Yes, I like. I like try to new activities.
I like try to new activities. Grammatically wrong. I like to try new activities.
I like to try new activities because life is full of change. I like them. I want to play new games at the weekend. So I like.
Okay, now see, I like activities. You're using very limited language. So try to at least elaborate. For example, do you like to try new activities? Yes, I would love to try different activities. And I usually try to do something new after a month. Now I'm planning to try swimming as I don't know anything about swimming. So to answer your question, I really feel great whenever I do something different. New activities, something different. So try to replace your words and you'll get better band score. Okay, what new activities would you like to try in the future?
I would like to try in the future new activities. One is swimming because I don't swim before.
I don't know how to swim.
I don't know how to swim, so I like to learn swimming.
Okay, this answer is very short, and again you're repeating the question. I said, what activities would you like to try? I said, I would like to try activities. So like that. Okay. What activities would you like to try? Well, I would love to do swimming as I don't know how to swim. So as summer is approaching, so I would love to learn how to swim and I want to become a good swimmer. Right? Let's go on. What activities did you do when you were a child?
When I was a child, I always spent my time in playing cricket and football always, and always my free time spent in family.
Yeah, I used to spend my free time with my family. So when I was small, I used to play games. Used to play games means it was a past habit, okay, or past repeated action. Okay, thank you so much, but you need to work very, very hard, okay, I'm telling you. Yeah, thank you.